Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Sekai Roleplay your on Android application. So first of all, you need to install it in your device, then simply tap on the open button and you can see this interface. So I'm just going to type don't hello. So you have to pronoun if you're he or she, you can type your intro as girlfriend, boyfriend, romance. You can set and just choose randomly and next, and after that it's okay. So here you can see how can you use this. Okay, so you need to find the model. So if you're looking girlfriend or romance or boyfriend, then you can choose. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one. Once you choose, then you just need to say hi. So they're talking actually, so they're talking. So I just go back and okay, like if you want to create, so first of all I need to create our account. To okay, I'm just going to create my account. So I already logged in my Gmail account. You can do it also. So you can see the option. So simply tap here the plus icon, then you can create role play, you can create character, create a story. So I'm just going to choose create role play. So you can create your own role play. So this time I'm not going to create, so I'm just going to find something else. This is this cover. You can choose here cover, enemy, heroes. So there are a lot of things. So choose any one of them. Create a story. You can listen them, and this is the chat. It's your profile. You can join Reddit and Discord also. So recommend. Okay, I'm just going to choose. So they are talking actually. So I'm just going to say hi. So actually you need to go. Then you can text hi or other things. Don't give him another thought. It is a peace of mind. So this way you can choose, and if you want to create your own, then you can try here like in plus, and you can buy premium if you want, because it's not totally free. So you can block, and you can you can chat with character. You can create your own.